Jai Hind children, welcome to module 2 Environment. Children, here we will study about ecology. What is ecology? The natural environment in which a living being lives and survives is known as its environment. The branch of science that deals with the study of living things in their natural surrounding is called as ecology. Means the surrounding where we are living, means the natural surrounding, not the man made, like you take an example of aquarium or pond. So that is not, but the natural surrounding where all the living creatures live is called as ecology. Ecologists are the scientists who study ecology. There is interdependence in nature. Interdependence means that all the living beings are somewhere dependent on each other, means one living thing is dependent on the other living things. And ecologists are the scientists, those who study the ecology. Now we'll deal with the environmental problems. What are the environmental problems which this environment is facing? Hunting animals for clothing and cosmetics. Like you can see in the picture, the leather is used for making leather jackets, which is taken from the skin of the animals. Then different oils are used for making the cosmetics, which is again taken from the animals. Then the second environmental problem is the cutting down of forests to make space for cities and farms. Every day people are cutting the forest for their benefit, dumping waste from factories, homes and hospitals into water or soil. Then the fourth major problem is releasing fumes from vehicles and factories into air. We are burning fossil fuels, which is a great cause of causing the pollution in the atmosphere. So, in order to overcome this, we should avoid using such things and we should promote using the organic or the things which are directly extracted from the nature. These activities have harmed the environment by causing pollution of air, water and lands. Eroding soil causes global warming and endangered several species of plants and animals. Due to this pollution, due to this environmental problem, there are many species of plants and animals which have become endangered. Means their numbers are getting down and we are not able to see the different species of few plants and animals. Now we'll come to the pollution. Basically, there are three types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Now, first, we'll discuss what is pollution. Pollution is the release of substances into air, water, or soil that are harmful to living things. These harmful substances are called as pollutant. This is a major environmental issue, and there are many types of pollution as I have told you earlier. First, we'll deal with the air pollution. Air pollution comes from burning of fossil fuels from vehicles and factories. They release smoke and harmful gases into the atmosphere and they pollute the air. There are various diseases which are caused due to air pollution. Diseases on excess of pollutants in the air makes it unfit for breathing and results in a number of diseases of the respiratory system. People who live in areas with heavy air pollution suffer from breathing problems and lung damage. So, in order to be healthy, we should avoid polluting the air so that all the human beings should remain healthy. Now, the second major problem of air pollution is the global warming. Burning of fuels increase the level of carbon dioxide into the air. Due to this, the atmosphere retains more heat of the sunlight, which results in an increase in the temperature of the atmosphere, which is called global warming. and due to this, ice at the poles will start melting, resulting in flooding of low lying land on the seashores. So children, there is nothing to rejoice that the ice caps are melting. We should be worried like if this will happen, this will continue happening, then the sea level will rise. There will be no place for the human beings or the living beings, for the animals and plants to live. The whole area of the land will be occupied by the water. So this is really very alarming, that melting of the ice caps. Now we will see removal of ozone layer. As you can see in the picture, some pollutants affect the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere. Ozone protects us from harmful UV rays of the sun, but scientists have detected holes in the ozone layer. This will allow UV rays to enter the atmosphere and cause skin cancer and eye problem. As you can see here in the picture, our atmosphere is surrounded by an ozone layer, and sunlight which is coming from the sun, that is containing UV rays and various CFC gases. Like I told you in the beginning, the CFC gases are there, chlorofluorocarbon, they are trapping the sunlight. So most of the sunlight is absorbed on the earth. Now next topic is acid rain. What is acid rain? At several powerhouses, coal is burned to generate electricity. The release of harmful gases that mix with water vapor in the atmosphere to form acids. These acids come down with rain, causing damage to soil, plants and building. This is called as acid rain. So whenever this acid rain falls on the surface of anything, any object, so what happens, due to the presence of acid, that particular object or area gets destroyed. The land becomes barren, infertile. Monuments, they lose their shine. So these are the harmful effects of the acid rain. As you can see in the picture, the pointer is pointing that what the condition of this statue has become after coming in contact with the acid rain. Earlier it was like this, and now you can see clearly the difference between these two statues, how the first one is and how the second one is. Now let's do a quick recap, children. What we have studied till far, we'll do a recap of that. First was ecology, the branch of science that deals with the study of living things in their natural surrounding is called ecology, and the scientists who study the ecology are called as ecologists. Then we discussed environmental problems, cutting trees, hunting animals, dumping waste and releasing fumes into the atmosphere. Then pollution, release of substances into air, water or soil that are harmful to living things. Harmful substances are called pollutants. Then we discussed about air pollution, removal of ozone layer. What are the causes of air pollution? Removal of ozone layer and acid rain, and we suffer from different types of diseases. And the last one is the global warming. So these are the disadvantages of air pollution. Thank you, children. We'll meet in the next module.